Hey everybody, this is Naturalist James Anderson, and today I want to talk about some of Ohio's rare plant species. So currently we have more than 1,800 plants in the Buckeye State. 600 of those are rare. As of 2008, 608 of Ohio's species are listed as extirpated, sometimes known as local extinction, endangered, threatened, or sometimes called species of concern. But you might be asking yourself, what causes some plants to be considered rare or endangered while others like dandelions can grow in our lawns or even out of a sidewalk? The big thing is plants like dandelions, as they're able to adapt. Charles Darwin once said, "It is not the strongest of the species that survive, nor the most intelligent that survives. It is the ones that is most adapted to change." So a lot of our rare plants require specific growing conditions, and unfortunately, humans have altered their habitats. Then invasive species have come in and overcrowd some of these natural areas, and the rare plants causing them to decline. Then there are also a lot of other factors that have altered these rare plants' populations. But like we said earlier, these rare plants have a hard time in our current world conditions. So now I want to give 6 examples of some of Ohio's rare plant species that you can find. Number 1 on our list is the Eastern Prairie Fringe Orchid. Only standing around 8 to 14 inches tall, they can have up to 40 of those white flowers with those fringe-like appendages, but they're mostly found in northern Ohio, especially in the Oaks opening area. Number 2 is the Lakeside Daisy, only standing about 6 to 11 inches tall. Interesting fact that the Ohio Division of Natural Resources reports that the only place in the world that this flower occurs naturally is in Ohio. Populations mostly found in Ottawa County and even on Kelly's Island. Number 3 is the running buffalo clover. Name comes from they like to grow in bison habitats, and the running part of its name comes from the fact that this plant produces runners that extend from the base of the stem and run along the ground. It was once thought to be extinct, and it was listed as a fairly endangered species in 1987 and taken off the list in 2021, mostly found in southern Ohio. Number 4 on our list is the northern monkshood, a toxic endangered plant that has a potent cardio and neurotoxin called alkaloids. Please don't touch it because it can cause numbness, tingling, and skin irritations. This plant can grow up to 1 to 4 feet and so far only found in Hocking County, which is in southern Ohio. Number 5 on the list is Virginia spirea. It's a colonial shrub reaching a height of 9 feet, flowers late from June to early July, and found in southern counties. And the last on our list is Small World Pogonia. This little orchid grows in forest canopy or near forest edges, grows between 3 to 13 inches tall, leaves are whorled along the stem, and only grows in a couple southern counties in Ohio. And please make sure if you encounter any of these endangered species or any other endangered species, please do not pick them, please do not give specific locations, and only take pictures. Well, I'm Naturalist James Anderson, and thank you for listening.